Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Maruti 800 is a name synonymous with India's automotive revolution. Launched in 1983, it quickly became the nation's most beloved car, making its mark in the hearts of millions. Fast forward to 2025, and the Maruti 800, now revamped for a new generation, continues to capture the essence of affordable, reliable, and practical transportation. Today, we'll dive into the new 2025 Maruti 800 and explore its features, design, performance, and why it remains a significant player in the Indian car market. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Maruti 800 retains the iconic compact dimensions that made it a standout in its early years. However, Maruti has given the new model a fresh modern look. While the overall silhouette has remained true to its roots, the updated 800 now sports a more refined, contemporary front design. The grille has been redesigned, offering a sharper, more angular aesthetic, with sleeker headlamps that incorporate LED elements for a more upmarket feel. The side profile continues to emphasize the car's compact and practical nature, ideal for tight city roads and parking. The 2025 800 rides on new alloy wheels, enhancing the visual appeal while maintaining its easy maneuverability. The rear end also sees subtle changes with updated tail lamps, completing the refreshed look. The body color options have expanded, offering a range of trendy hues while retaining the classic feel. Now, stepping inside the 2025 Maruti 800, one of the most striking changes is the cabin's increased sophistication. The interior materials have been upgraded, with better quality plastics and soft touch surfaces that elevate the feel compared to its earlier models. The dashboard layout is clean and minimalistic, with a new touchscreen infotainment system at the center, bringing the car into the tech age. The seats are comfortable, though still compact, making the Maruti 800 ideal for city commutes and short trips. The front seats offer decent support, and there's ample legroom and headroom, considering the car's compact size. The rear seats, while more suited to two passengers than three, offer enough space for children or smaller adults, making it versatile for family use. Maruti has also improved cabin insulation, ensuring a quieter ride compared to previous generations. Moving on to technology and features, the 2025 Maruti 800 is equipped with modern tech to stay relevant in today's market. The new touchscreen infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, offering seamless connectivity. It also includes Bluetooth, USB port, and a rear-view camera to enhance convenience. The steering wheel now comes with mounted controls, adding a touch of practicality, while the updated instrument cluster features a more modern display with digital elements for a futuristic look. Safety has also been improved in the 2025 model. The new Maruti 800 comes with standard features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. Maruti has also integrated better crash protection and improved the overall structural integrity of the car to ensure it meets the latest safety standards. While it still doesn't come with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, for the price and segment, it offers a reasonable level of safety features. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti 800 is powered by a more efficient version of the tried and tested 0.8-liter, 3-cylinder engine. This engine continues to be a gem in the compact car segment, offering a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The engine has been slightly tweaked for better refinement and smoother power delivery, ensuring a more comfortable driving experience. The engine delivers around 4750 horsepower, enough for city driving and occasional highway jaunts. The powertrain is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard, while an automatic transmission option may be available for those who prefer a hassle-free driving experience. The ride quality has also been improved, with better suspension tuning, making it more comfortable over off-roads. The Maruti 800 remains one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment, boasting impressive fuel economy figures, which is a key selling point for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 Maruti 800 still delivers the nimble, easy-to-drive experience that has made it a favorite for decades. Its compact size and light steering make it incredibly easy to maneuver through traffic, and parking in tight spots is a breeze. While it may not offer the excitement of a performance-oriented car, its practicality and ease of use are unparalleled. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Maruti 800 is positioned as an entry-level car, designed to be accessible to a wide range of buyers. Maruti has always been known for offering value for money, and the 2025 800 is no different. The price tag is expected to be highly competitive, making it a great option for first-time car buyers, small families, or anyone looking for an affordable, reliable vehicle. For those looking for an environmentally friendly option, Maruti has also hinted at an electric variant of the 800 in the future. Though details are still scarce, this could be a game-changer for urban mobility in India, combining the Maruti 800's legacy of affordability with the eco-friendly benefits of an electric powertrain. The 2025 Maruti 800 also retains its legendary reliability. Maruti has built its reputation over the years on creating durable cars that require minimal maintenance, and the 800 continues to be a low-cost vehicle to maintain. The widespread service network and availability of spare parts across India make it a hassle-free ownership experience, and this, combined with its strong resale value, makes it a solid investment for anyone looking for a budget-friendly car. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti 800 is a fitting tribute to the car that started it all for Maruti Suzuki in India. It remains true to its roots as a compact, affordable, and reliable car while embracing modern design, technology, and safety features. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or someone looking for a practical second car, the Maruti 800 continues to offer tremendous value for money. Its blend of modern updates and tried-and-tested engineering makes it a standout in the entry-level segment, and it's easy to see why this iconic car continues to hold a special place in the hearts of Indian motorists. Please subscribe my channel and share with like.